Hi, if you want to change clock font on iPhone lock screen, then firstly just press and hold your current lock screen, enter its password, and now we can edit it. For that, click on Customize and then tap on your lock screen. So right now to change clock font on lock screen, we need to tap on time. And here you'll see many different options for font style. So you can tap on them to find the best option for you. And as you can see, in some of them, we can change size, like intensity, width, and so on. So let's leave, for example, this option. After that, you can also tap on globe icon and switch to different option from the list, for example, Arabic Eastern. And this is how it will look. And also you can change color. So this is suggested option, but you can manually set any other from the list. Here you can also drag this slider. Also tap on color palette and choose color from grid, spectrum, or sliders, like that. I'm gonna just set this default option. And now don't forget to press down to save changes. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.